Are we alone in the universe? This is a question that has haunted mankind for centuries, and now, with the James Webb Space Telescope in operation, scientists are hoping to finally shed light on this mystery. The JWST has already revolutionized our understanding of space observation, and one of its key missions is to study Proxima B, an exoplanet orbiting the nearest star to our Sun. But here's the kicker. The scientists behind the mission believe that the lights coming from Proxima B may not be natural at all, but instead could be artificial in origin. That's right, we're talking about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. So what will the JWST reveal about this enigmatic exoplanet? Buckle up and join us as we embark on a journey to uncover the truth about the James Webb Artificial Lights discovery on Proxima B. The night sky above us is vast and mysterious, filled with stars that twinkle in the darkness. But what if we told you that hidden among those stars could be alien life, waiting to be discovered? Scientists have been searching for extraterrestrial life for decades, and their focus has now turned to an exoplanet called Proxima B. So what's the deal with Proxima B? Why are scientists paying attention to it, and where is it located? More importantly, what have they discovered on this distant planet that's causing a stir in the scientific community? And how did the James Webb Space Telescope confirm these spooky findings? When you gaze up at the night sky, you'll see the stars twinkling like diamonds against a velvet backdrop. But did you know that planets also orbit around these stars? These faraway worlds, known as exoplanets, are too distant to see with the naked eye, and even telescopes struggle to spot them due to a variety of reasons. However, they could be hiding something extraordinary: alien life. Certain exoplanets, like Proxima B, are believed to be in the habitable zone, where life might thrive. Researchers have been eager to study them for years, but they've been limited by a lack of tools. But not anymore. With the latest and most potent James Webb Space Telescope, scientists have a new weapon in their search for life beyond our planet. While they're not expecting to see little green men walking around, they're on the lookout for telltale signs of life. So what exactly tells scientists that a planet may be home to living organisms or even extraterrestrial life? Well, since its discovery, scientists have turned their attention to the fascinating Proxima B. What sets it apart is that it orbits a star named Proxima Centauri, which is part of an unusual trio of stars that have puzzled astronomers for years. The other two stars, known as Alpha Centauri A and B, are in a binary system, meaning they orbit around a common centre of gravity. Alpha Centauri, which is easily visible without a telescope, is actually the third brightest star in the sky. However, it's Proxima Centauri that has captured the interest of scientists due to its proximity to Proxima B. Although it's much smaller and dimmer than Alpha Centauri, Proxima is slightly closer to Earth than the other two stars, at a distance of 4.22 light-years. But because it's a red dwarf, it's too faint to see with the naked eye. Proxima B orbits its parent star at an incredibly close distance of only 4.6 million miles, or 7.5 million kilometers, which is just 5% of the distance between Earth and the Sun. Proxima B's orbit lies in the middle of Proxima Centauri's habitable zone, where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the planet's surface. That makes it an intriguing candidate for hosting life. However, due to the close proximity of the planet to its star, scientists have had to rely on special equipment to observe Proxima Centauri from Earth. And while Proxima B is the closest Earth-like exoplanet we've discovered so far, it's still over 4 light-years away. In other words, it would take us thousands of years to travel there with our current technology. Furthermore, Proxima B's orbit does not align in a way that allows us to observe it directly from Earth. So if you were gazing at the star head-on, you wouldn't catch a glimpse of the planet since it does not transit in front of its star as viewed from Earth. This makes it challenging for astronomers to make accurate predictions about its orbital path, and they are uncertain whether Proxima B follows a nearly circular or highly elliptical orbit. Additionally, some scientists speculate that the planet may not have always existed within the habitable zone of the star. Due to Proxima Centauri's evolution from a hotter star to a main sequence star, Proxima B may have formed too close to the star and remained in that position for millions of years. The launch of the James Webb Space Telescope was a game changer for astronomers in their quest to discover more exoplanets and search for alien life. In fact, finding evidence of extraterrestrial life is one of the telescope's primary objectives. The transit method is one of the techniques that the Webb telescope will use to study exoplanets. The telescope will also use coronagraphs to directly image exoplanets near bright stars, although the resulting image will be just a spot rather than a sweeping panorama. Nonetheless, by analysing this spot with the JWST, scientists will be able to uncover more details about the exoplanet, such as its colour, vegetation, and even weather patterns. SETI astronomers have been using the Allen telescope array of 42 radio antennas to search for signals over a range of radio frequencies, focusing on the regions surrounding 20,000 red dwarf stars that are closest to Earth. However, this is just one facet of the search for extraterrestrial life. Life can take many forms, even as small microbes, and sophisticated telescopes can detect the chemical signals they emit. For example, the presence of atmospheric gases like oxygen, which may indicate life, is something scientists are looking out for. However, they must be cautious in their interpretation, as these gases or substances could have explanations other than life. Now, why are astronomers interested in Proxima B? The reason lies in the possibility that it could be a rocky terrestrial planet similar to Earth and may have liquid water. The exoplanet orbits around a dimmer and less massive star and is tidally locked, meaning one side is always facing the star and the other is in perpetual darkness. Although it's uncertain if Proxima B has an atmosphere, if it does, it could have the necessary ingredients for biochemical cycles that we associate with life, such as water, carbon dioxide, and rock. Moreover, there is another similarity between Proxima B and Earth that intrigues scientists. They both inhabit the Goldilocks zone of their respective stars, the area around a star where life could possibly survive. Proxima B orbits its star at a distance that is only 1/12 of Earth's distance from its own sun, receiving about 2/3 of the energy that Earth does. This distance and the smaller brightness of the star make the possibility of water on Proxima B plausible. And not just any water, but liquid water, which is essential to the existence of life. Now, what if the mysterious Proxima B is home to intelligent extraterrestrial life? Well, scientists have speculated that life on the exoplanet could struggle to develop on the day side due to the intense radiation from its host star, which is just 4.5 million miles away, about a tenth of the distance from Mercury to the Sun at its closest point. While radio signals have been detected from the area surrounding Proxima B, it's likely just interference from natural sources. Any civilization on the exoplanet would need to overcome the constant radiation by either deploying powerful mirrors or using bright LED-style lights to illuminate their cities. This could help us detect their presence. That's why a team of researchers, including Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb, suggests using the James Webb Space Telescope's near-infrared instrument to search for telltale signs of LED light waves in the light from Proxima B and its host star. If these artificial light signatures are present, it could be evidence of advanced alien technology. Furthermore, the team has been investigating the possibility of detecting artificial lights on the dark side of Proxima B by analysing light curves from the exoplanet and its star. They ran into two different scenarios, one where the artificial illumination has the same spectrum as LED lights on Earth, and another where it has a narrower spectrum with the same proportion of light as total artificial illumination on Earth. What they found was that the James Webb Telescope would be capable of detecting artificial light resembling LED bulbs that make up to 5% of the star's power. If the telescope can detect narrowband light that resembles LEDs, it will be possible to characterize the planet's atmosphere and use instruments to determine the amount of energy transport on the planet and then perform light curve calculations to verify whether they match those of an LED light source. Loeb and his team used the JWST exposure time calculator to reach their exciting conclusion that artificial light might be detected on Proxima B. The tool allowed them to predict what can be detected in a specific time period based on predefined settings before the observatory launches. They discovered that if a civilization is forced to live in perpetual darkness, the light shining onto the permanent night side would be very powerful and more likely to be detected with JWST. JWST will be able to detect the existence of artificial illumination for standard LEDs 500 times more powerful than those currently used on Earth, and for artificial illumination of similar magnitude. This discovery is significant because it suggests that potentially habitable planets like Proxima B are abundant in the universe, with every single star likely to have at least one planet orbiting it. So, what do you think about the possibility of alien life on Proxima B? Share your thoughts in the comments below.